Honey, have you seen my 50,000?
No. Why would I take your money?
Then why are you smiling like that?
Because I bought something you'll love.
Wait, you used my money?
I borrow it to surprise you.
So where's my surprise?
Check outside. Your dream car is waiting.
Guys, come closer. You can now access Seedance 2.0 free of charge. Yes, I tried it, I tested it, and these videos you just watched now were made with Seedance 2.0, totally free of charge. I did not pay anything. Stop paying for AI tools when you can now use them totally free of charge. I'm not going to waste time in this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can use Seedance 2.0 totally free of charge. Let's just head right into this video, guys. So for you to get started, go to Google and search for $AI. $AI. Okay, so $AI basically has the website. So this is actually the website here. Okay, this is the website for $AI, and then you can also work with the app. This is the app. You can just go ahead and download it. So I love to work with the website. I'm just going to tap on the website. Okay, so once you come to $AI, you're going to be welcome to this interface, right? Click on the 3 dotted lines above here. Okay, and then put it on desktop site. So once you put it on desktop site, it's basically going to show you all this. Normally, we're not seeing all of this interface, right? So putting it on desktop site is going to show you all the whole interface on the app, okay? So I'm just going to zoom it so that you can see very well. Okay, so you're going to see the plus icon, you're going to see fast, you're going to see AI video, writing, generate image, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you can literally generate your image here and you can create your video here, okay? Now, you need to understand that with $AI, you can literally create unlimited videos every day on this website. This is Seedance 2.0. All you need to do is to input the prompt and it's automatically going to select images, create your images and videos for you using Seedance 2.0. Okay, so for us to maximize our credits, we're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, first of all, click on AI video. If you click on AI video, it's going to bring you to this interface. You're going to see reference image. You're going to see Seedance 2.0 fast. You're going to see 10 seconds. You can literally create your videos with 10 seconds, up to 10 seconds, and then 5 seconds, okay? And then you can see Seedance 2.0 fast. This is just basically the model on this website. So this is me telling you that yes, you can basically work with Seedance 2.0, okay? So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. For us to create something, I'll quickly go to ChatGPT and get our script. Okay, and in case you don't know, you can also create your images on ChatGPT. Okay, so once you come to ChatGPT, this is what the interface of ChatGPT look like. Okay, so I'm going to send ChatGPT a voice note right now. Just listen to the voice note I'm going to send to ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT, because basically we want to create a short story scene using this $AI, using Seedance 2.0 on $AI. So you can literally see how you can do yours. And if you're looking to learn how to create AI dialogue stories or movies, you can literally learn it right here at the spot, because you and I are going to be creating something. Okay, so I'm just going to use the voice notes. Hi ChatGPT. So I want to create a short story. I want the story to be 4 scenes. Okay, and each of the scenes should have dialogue. Okay, sorry, the story is going to be in a dialogue form, and each dialogue should not be more than 10 seconds. It should have up to 4 scenes, okay? And it should just include 2 characters. Okay, so you're going to give me an interesting story, maybe between a husband and a wife, and it should just be 4 scenes, and the dialogues between the husband and wife in each of the scenes should not be more than 10 seconds. Okay, so I've just sent it to ChatGPT, and you're going to see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. So this is basically me telling you that if you want to create dialogue stories, all you need to do is to give ChatGPT your idea, and ChatGPT is going to give you a prompt. It's going to refine it for you, okay? And when you want to create, you have to start with image prompt. Okay, you can see this is what ChatGPT has given us. I told ChatGPT to basically give me a story of a husband and wife, and then it should be in dialogue form, and then it should have 4 scenes, and then each of the scenes should not be more than 10 seconds. Now, this is the title. It says the hidden money. Scene 1, wife. Honey, have you seen my 50,000? Husband, no. Why would I take your money? Scene 2. Then why are you smiling like that? Husband, because I bought something you will love. Okay, so this is basically the same. Now it has given me the dialogue scene. I'm not going to tell it to give me image from for each of the scenes. Okay, I'll say, let me use the voice note again. So give me image prompt I can use to generate image for the scenes. So we basically have 2 characters in this movie or in this short story. So basically we don't have issues with our prompts. Okay, but if you have more than 1 character, if you have more than 2 characters, ChatGPT will also give you image prompt. And if you have scenes where they have to, be in different locations, you are also going to tell ChatGPT to give you scenes for different locations. Okay, so it has given me character prompt. It says a young Nigerian couple in their early 30s, husband, dark skin, average build, blah blah blah. Okay, character consistency used in every prompt. Now this is the central prompt. This one right here is the central prompt. Okay, and then if you come down here, you're going to system 1. This is the prompt for scene 1. That's image prompts. We want to create our images first, right? A young Nigerian couple in their early 30s, husband, dark skin, average build, short, low cut, black. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that he added that they are Nigerians, which is what I want. He added their age, their skin color. So if in your own prompt it doesn't add it, you can basically sell it. Just give it what you want, right? Okay, so this is prompt for this in 1. Okay. And then same Nigerian husband and wife in the living room. The wife stands with folded arms hospitalistic. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. Okay, I'll copy the first prompt. I'll copy it and I will still paste it in ChatGPT because I want to use ChatGPT to generate my images, right? I'll use ChatGPT to generate my images. ChatGPT can literally allow you to generate 5 images in a day, right? 5 images in a day for free. Okay, so I'll just send it. You can see ChatGPT is going to create the image for us. So we're going to wait for ChatGPT to create the image for us, and after that, we are going to go to $AI to use the video tool there. Use the Seedance 2.0 to create our video, and by so doing, you are able to maximize your credit. Okay. Because in $AI, once you start creating, it's going to get to a point that they will tell you to come back tomorrow. So tomorrow you can come back and you can actually switch to another email and continue. If you don't want to wait for tomorrow, you switch to another email. So ChatGPT has actually created this for me in 16:9 aspect ratio. You can see. So this is our image. Above here to download it. Okay. I've just downloaded it. Okay, so let's see the second prompt. Prompt for scene 2. It's the same Nigerian husband and wife in the same living room. The wife stands with folded arms, officially staring at her husband. The husband has a playful smile and is trying to hide something behind his back. Dramatic, cinematic lighting, emotional expressions. Okay, since it's the same room, it's the same husband and wife. Let's see this. Since it's the same husband and wife, we don't need to create another image. Okay. Now, it is now when we now get to $AI, where we're going to be doing the video, we're not going to use a reference image. We're going to use this image as a reference image, okay? So that they are going to look consistent. They're going to have the same face and everything. Now, except we want the addresses to change. So I'm going to see what ChatGPT is going to give us in the third scene to see if we can still maintain that picture. Now we say it's the same Nigerian couple. The wife looks shocked with her mouth slightly open after realizing, okay, you see the same thing. It's the same room. Scene 4, the same Nigerian couple standing outside their modern house during golden hour. A brand new red car Okay, we're going to create another image for this one, for the scene 4, because they are no longer inside their room. Okay. So let me put it inside the BT and see if it is going to send it. And if ChatGPT doesn't give us, we are going to go to Solar AI and create it, because I don't think ChatGPT can actually do consistency in character. We have to use our reference tool in Solar AI to do that. But then let's wait and see what it gives us. Wow, it was actually able to recognize them. This is nice. This is nice. It was able to recognize them. Wow, this is nice. So I'm just going to download it. Okay, so now that we've downloaded our image, we're now going to go back to $AI. Okay, so let me copy the first prompt. Let me copy the prompt for the first thing. So I'm just going to copy this for the scene 1. Start from scene 1. Okay, I'll copy it. Let me copy from here. Okay. Okay, I'll copy scene 1 and then I'll come down here. Okay, so you click on AI video, it's going to bring you to this interface right here. This is actually describe the actions in the video and choose your prompt there. Okay, and then click on reference image. I'll select the first image you created for the husband and wife, and then click on leave it at 10 seconds. Click on ratio. Aspect ratio is 16:9 because it's a YouTube tutorial. If you are doing for Facebook or for Instagram, you can choose 16:9. Okay. Sorry, Instagram is 3:4 ratio 4. For Facebook and TikTok, you use 9:16. So I'm going to be choosing 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay. And then I'll leave it at 2.0 path. Okay. So once that is checked, I'm going to scroll to the right hand side, and this blue, I'll click on this blue icon here, and then I'll send to the right hand side here. Okay, you can see. Okay, so it says for likeness protection, videos can't be generated from images of real people. Use another image or create a video from text. We have an issue. It is saying that our picture looks realistic, so we are going to be. It's saying our picture looks realistic, so it's not going to generate it for us. Okay, so we are now going to be using, I'm going to be changing the format of our video. Okay, instead of using realistic pictures, we are going to be using 3D Pixar-style, those cartoons that have big expressive eyes. I'm going to show you. We'll go back to ChatGPT to create another image. I will now say, let me tell ChatGPT, I'm basically doing all of this in your front right now, so that if you get to your time and then they tell you the same thing, you can actually change your characters, okay? And you're still going to get the results you want. Okay, so I wanted to change our characters to be zigzag 3D big expressive size characters, okay? So just turn the characters to be in Pixar-style, the same images you created for me. Can you see this? It has literally turned it from normal realistic human to a cartoon character, and I love this. So I'm not going to save it, and we're going to do the same thing for the second image, right? Just icon and select the second image, this one that they are standing in front of the car. Okay, I will copy the same prompt I sent to it. Guys, can you see this? It has turned this one again to 3D. It has changed this one for us again, and by so doing, we no longer have realistic something. Okay, so I'll just go back to the tool. Now, this is not me saying that you cannot create realistic characters on $AI. You can actually create realistic characters on $AI, right? But you have to use text. So click on AI video, and then it will bring you to this interface right here again. Where is our prompts? Let me copy my prompts from ChatGPT. It put all together. Okay. I'm going to paste the prompt here. Remove the title part. Select the first image here. And then we are going to leave it at, so just allow the reference image to load. Okay, reference image has loaded. And then I'll scroll down and click on, leave it at Seedance 2.0 fast. They have Seedance 2.0, Seedance 1.0 fast, and then Seedance 2.0 fast. I'll leave it at Seedance 2.0 fast. And then I will come down here and leave it at 10 seconds. Okay, click on ratio. I'll select 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, and then I'll click on this blue icon, start generating. So guys, the crowd in the website made it impossible for me to generate image to video. I had to turn to text to video, and I was able to create this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna play it.
Honey, have you seen my 50,000?
No. Why would I take your money?
Then why are you smiling like that?
Because I bought something you'll love.
Guys, can you see that?
Honey, have you seen my 50,000?
It's so cinematic,
No.
so
Why would I
clear,
take your money?
and the lip
Then
sync
why are
are
you
so
smiling like that?
the lip sync are so perfect. So I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and copy. So I actually forgot I'm not recording my screen. So I've actually copied the scene 3 and 4, and I'm generating it already. I forgot my screen was not on. So I'm going to wait for you to finish generating and see what next. So guys, our video is ready. So this is the video right here. So let me play it.
I borrow it to surprise you.
So where's my surprise?
Check outside. Your dream car is waiting.
Wait, you used my money?
Guys, can you see that? So I'm just going to click on save to leave it on my phone. And this is basically how to use this website. What do you think? I'm sorry it didn't actually go as smooth as I thought, but a lot of times these AI tools actually do mess up sometimes when a lot of people are using it. Okay, to start giving you prompt generation issues and all of that. But in your own time, especially when you're trying to create your own at night, or when people are not really, or very early in the morning when people are not really using it so much, is going to give you your desired result. Okay, so just try out this. So we've been able to use Seedance 2.0 on this website. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.